Greeting. It is a great honor to stand before you today on behalf of King T'Challa and the Kingdom of Wakanda. I am Okoye, General of the Dora Milaje, here on a special assignment from the Black Panther himself to personally train all of you recruits to become warrior allies of Wakanda. Are you my ally? Yes! I thought so. So, the Dora Milaje will assist me. Before we begin, let us take a moment of silence for all of the kings and queens who have left us to join the ancestral plane. Peace be to the ancestors. Now, are you ready to begin your training? In order to become a warrior ally of Wakanda, you must first understand the purpose of the Dora Milaje. Dora Milaje means adored one. As the defenders of the throne of Wakanda, it is our sole mission to protect the king, the Black Panther himself. It is a tradition in Wakanda that exceptional women are chosen by their tribe to train as a Dora. It is a great honor to take on such a special mission. In fact, tradition and honor are the first two tenets of the Dora Milaje. Don't worry, there are only 5 tenets you should be able to keep up. These are the values that govern everything we do. Tradition, honor, strength, courage, and compassion. This is why we salute Wakanda forever! Wakanda forever! In battle, it takes strength and courage to face our enemies. So, recruits, who among you thinks they have the warrior prowess of the Dora Milaje? Who will come forth and show us the courage? Come now, recruits. I know there is more bravery among you than these. Brave warrior, you there, in the black. Yes, in the hand, not too far, forward. Now, what is your name? Mishan. Again? Mishan. Mishan. And where are you from? Napa, California. Napa, California? Yes. Warrior Mishan. From the Napa, California tribe. You are courageous for coming forward. Tell us, are you strong? Yes. And confident? Yes. I like it. What makes you strong? My family. Your family? Yes. That is a very good answer. You bring such honor to your tribe, I am sure. Wakanda forever! Thank you. Now, to the rest of you, we ask, are you strong? Yes. Don't be shy, recruits. Are you strong? Yes! You say yes! But where does your strength come from? Or your courage? Yes. Our culture has been passed down from generation to generation. Through our traditions, we Dora have trained for years with the power of vibranium on our side. What is the part of you that is indestructible? What is your vibranium? Think about it. Strength and courage courage are like the sun. They have to rise out of us. But unlike the sun rising out of the ocean, the rising of our strength and courage isn't automatic. We, Dora, have to find it each and every day. We chant, Nidaru Binde, San Chi Nasra. Nidaru Binde, San Chi Nasra. This means I am a warrior. I will overcome. Recruits, if you can learn this battle chant, you may have what it takes to be a warrior ally of Wakanda. Listen and repeat after me. Nidaru Binde. Repeat. Nidaru Binde. Oh, there is soul here in the atmosphere. I like it. Let us keep going with movement. San Chi Nasra. Repeat. San Chi Nasra. Oh, and rhythm, little one. Let us put it all together with me. Nidaru Binde, San Chi Nasra. Nidaru Binde, San Chi Nasra. Ahead. Nidaru Binde, San Chi Nasra. Excellent work, recruits. Now, can you take it a step further? Yes. Would you all like to see a Dora Milaje training sequence? Yes. Okay. Pay attention. Let us learn something a bit easier, eh? Watch. Join me if you dare. And we jab, strike, crouch, look. Come on. Again. Jab, strike, crouch, look. You have stressed this morning, didn't you? Don't worry. This is not a real battle. This is for training purposes only. So I want us all to stand tall. Imagine yourself holding a spear made of vibranium, and we will train together as one tribe. Let us begin. And we jab, strike, crouch, look. I see you there. They want to challenge. Let's see it. Jab, strike, crouch, look. Little one, good job. Keep going. Jab, strike, crouch, look. Now with the strength and heart of the panther. Jab, strike, crouch, look. Once more, for good measure. Jab, strike, crouch, look. Aye, 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 aye. That wasn't enough to send Iggy running home to his tribe mother. What brave warriors you are! I haven't seen strength and courage like that since we've been on this continent. I am impressed with each and every one of you. You are more than mere recruits. You are now on the path to becoming warrior allies of Wakanda. Celebrate yourselves, warriors. Stand with us. Nidaru Binde. Nidaru Binde, San Chi Nasra. Nidaru Binde, San Chi Nasra. With honor. Nidaru Binde, San Chi Nasra. With strength. Nidaru Binde, San Chi Nasra. With pride. Nidaru Binde, San Chi Nasra. My heart is with you, warriors. Not only have we assembled a brave and strong group of warrior allies ready for the next mission, but we have also seen through honor and compassion here today. Look around at your fellow allies. Really look. See them and let yourselves be seen. You You are each warriors in your own way, and you shall overcome. Continue in these ways, allies, and you will leave each place much better than you found it. Now, we will stay here all day and teach you more secrets of the Dora Milaje, but we must leave you now, as King T'Challa has been alone for far too long, and that usually means trouble. Until next time, warrior allies!